Okay, we're going to make a new viewport. Making a new viewport is real easy. I'm on paper space right now. I come over here to where it says view. I come down to viewports. I go new viewport. This should say two-dimensional 2D first. I switch over to 3D, left click. I come down instead of wireframe. I want to left click on the arrow going down. I go conceptual. And when I say OK, it's asking us for my first fit point. I left click, move my mouse so I can open it up and I can say whatever size I want. I left click and the object comes up there. Now I come over here and I hover over this, okay, double left click in it, and I come over here, it says top view. I left click, where's the top, I isometric, I hold the wheel down and I make it the size I need, okay, and if that's the size I want, I come over here, double left click outside here, and I have my object. Now I have my frame, and sometimes I do not need my frame. I do not want the frame because the frame sometimes gets in trouble. I come over to layers, left click on layers, and I go new layer called VP1. So I would go over here and I would left click here and type in VP1, and I on the bottom over here where it says on, I left click so the light bulb goes off. Hover over this, close it. I hover, highlight it. I come over and I'm on paper, remember. I left click on the arrow going down. I'll come over here, and as I get hovering over, that frame goes off. I left click on it. I say close, and now I have my viewport there. How do I want to reactivate it if I need to? I come back a week, 2 weeks, whatever else. Good thing you're asking, I like that. I come over here and I go VP1, I turn it on, and I hit escape. But if I come across here, I can't get into it, let's say, normal. Okay? See, I can't get into it, won't let me. I left click out here. I type the magical word called M view, one word. When I type in M view, hit enter. I come over here and I want to turn this viewport back on. I come over here, hover over, highlight it, left click. I left click on my frame, left click, it highlights, I hit enter. I double left click on it and it reactivates the command again. I come out of here again, and now I go back, I left click on it, I go back up to VP1, I turn it off, hit escape, and now it looks really nice.